This video will cover the benefits of green tea extract and how to select the best green tea extract for making cosmetics. There are several methods that can be used to extract green tea. When selecting the best extracts for cosmetics, look for non-denatured extracts where heat and alcohol have been avoided. Consider enzyme-assisted extracts as they will offer the most beneficial properties for your products. Most green tea extract is made with alcohol. This is an age-old, outdated method called tinctures, which is still being used by many cosmetic manufacturers. As you can imagine, alcohol kills the biological plant properties. This is called denaturation. Denatured extracts don't contain natural vitamins and have lost their bioactive plant properties. Non-denatured green tea extract is the correct product to be used for skincare products. Your customers will benefit from the natural biological, bioactive, and natural vitamins in the extract. Natural vitamins found in non-denatured green tea extract will contain C, B2, folic acid, B-carotene, and vitamin E. Green tea extract also contains many minerals such as potassium, calcium, phosphorus, and manganese. There are many other well-known beneficial compounds in green tea extract, such as polyphenols, epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, caffeine, phenolic acids, and more. Some of the primary anti-aging properties include reduced inflammation and oxidative stress, scavenging free radicals, which play a major role in the aging process. There are many well-known anti-aging properties in polyphenols contained in green tea. The main active ingredient in green tea is epigallocatechin 3 gallate. It has anti-inflammatory properties, is an antioxidant, provides photoprotective effective from the sun's UV rays, offering reduced sunburn cells, reduced DNA damage formed after UV radiation, decreased melanoma cells, and improved wound healing. The best solvents to look for when selecting green tea extract for skincare products are a combination of water and glycerin. Water is the #1 solvent for pharmaceuticals. Glycerin is the #2 solvent used for making pharmaceuticals. Look for green tea extract that is made with raw organic green tea. Raw material is important because it hasn't been exposed to high heat during the drying process after harvest and has retained its bioactive plant properties. Organic plants are grown in healthier soil, close to that of nature. Farmers avoid harmful chemicals, pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers. Non-organic plants will have residue from these products and will have an impact on your skincare products. The best extracts are made using the newest green technology called enzyme-assisted extraction. Enzymes are used to break down the cell membrane in green tea, thus releasing all the various compounds that are so beneficial. No other methods offer better extraction yields than this method. This photo shows the cell membrane and all the contents inside the cell. Enzymes break down the cell membrane, releasing the contents. Green tea extract that is water and glycerin-based should easily mix into oil and water-based creams and lotions. Just mix 1 to 2% into new or existing formulations. In conclusion, select non-denatured green tea extract made with raw organic green tea. Avoid alcohol-based solvents and use water and glycerin-based products. Enzyme-assisted extracts will provide more bioactive compounds in your products. Your customers will love your new product's performance.